Hey there. So this section is all about Node.js, and the core of it is how do we take a programming language, any language, PHP, Ruby, Node, Python, any of the other ones out there, and how do we combine it with MySQL so that we can do things like build web applications. And in this section, we're not getting to the web app just yet. So for a lot of you, I know that building a web app has sort of been like the, whatever you call this thing, the catnip, I guess, or the toy that has been dragging you through this course, getting you through the more dull parts, knowing that you'll see how to make an app at the end. But remember, this is not a web application course. This is a course on MySQL. So it's just a small part. But if that's what it takes, it's the light at the end of the tunnel, well, we're basically through the tunnel now. And like I said, in this section, we're not building the web app just yet, but we are seeing how to connect MySQL to another language. In our case, it's Node.js. And so what we're going to do here, it's a tricky situation for me because I don't have the luxury of teaching everybody Node and teaching all the basics that you need. So we're kind of going to do a crash course at the beginning. Then we're going to work with a file of JavaScript and connect it to a MySQL database so that we could do things like randomly generate 500 users and insert all of them with one go. So we can insert 500 users manually, but how could we make 500 random users every time I run a file? That's what we're doing. And then in the next section, we'll build a web app to connect to our database. All right, we're almost there.